Timely project delivery is often vital for successful project completion. Late projects strain resources and often tarnish business cases. Planning and scheduling has therefore evolved into a succinct discipline and involves much more than merely being able to use a scheduling tool. This course will teach you how to interpret project information and convert it into a logical set of interrelated activities which can be used to accurately track progress. Learn how to optimize a schedule, develop a cost flow curve from schedule data, and how to measure and report project progress accurately. Stretched over 8 weeks, the course follows a hands-on approach using a simple construction scenario. It starts with developing a comprehensive, deliverable-oriented work breakdown structure and using it as the framework for the schedule. It then delves into activity formulation, sequencing, and resourcing, while also accommodating schedule contingency. Join us for our next Applied Planning and Scheduling course to advance your project planning and scheduling skills.